Hi guys, this is Gaurav Agarwal from Imapro.in, and one of the challenges which most of the marketers are facing across the globe is creating a marketing plan when they want to create any campaign for their product, service, or for any industry. I mean, you can find multiple tools which can create marketing plans across the globe, but for Bahrain, we don't have anything specific. So, what me and my team has done, we have created a tool called Marketing Planner Tool. You can easily access this from our menu, and you can go to the tool. Okay, and this is a very simple tool which will give you an ideal benchmark across multiple industries, segments, and categories. And you just have to, what you have to do is you have to just fill in the budget. Say I'll put 5,000 BD, and you have to allocate your budget to the channels you want to advertise on. Like, say I take 10% of Facebook, I take 10% of, say, LinkedIn. If you will go over the budget, it will give you a warning. If you want to go 30% of, say, Instagram, and then say Google display, you want to increase the budget to, say, 20%. And what we'll do is we will increase 5% of programmatic also, because programmatic ads are interactive. So this is what we have done. And when we'll click on generate plan, the plan is automatically created below with the major KPIs. Now, the major KPIs is something which someone is looking for, either branding, which is estimated impressions, or the traffic towards website, which is estimated clicks, and the leads, if you are in an industry which is hunting for inquiries and leads. So this is how a typical plan looks like. Now, it would be different for your industry segment and category, but altogether you get a benchmark from where you need to start with. This is an aggregate of 50 clients across different industries and segments. So we had taken an Excel and did a lot of data crunching to come up with these kind of metrics. Results when you will run a campaign will differ, but at least when you have something on the platter, it's quite easy to start with. This plan comes with beautiful charts. You have a spend for channel which you can modulate as per your requirement. Estimated impressions are in place, so you will get a head start. Okay, if you are spending that kind of money, what kind of impressions we are talking about. Then estimated leads are there. Per channel, the acquisition of lead differs, and then estimated clicks are there. Now, if you want to download this plan, you just have to click on this captcha button for security purpose, and then click on download marketing plan. A kind of loader will come, and then it will take few seconds, and a form will pop up. And here you can, name, then your last name, and then email, and send me media plan. So a PDF copy of this plan will be mailed to you. Okay, so you can test it. You can send yourself a PDF copy. There are small companies who have small budgets, and what kind of a plan can be made in small budgets. We have tried to answer the FAQs as per the requirements which keep on coming through the client. So yes, check out this tool, and if you are having any business problems related to marketing, digital, or website, I am here for a open discussion, open consultation, and I will try to help you out with the best of my capacity. Thanks a lot for taking time to visit this video, and it means a lot to me. Like and subscribe, whatever, but do send your honest feedbacks to me. Have a nice day.